Hello guys, today we are making an easy oatmeal recipe. This recipe is delicious, full of fiber and antioxidants, but most of all, it is so quick and easy to make. Let's get started. So here are the list of ingredients that you will need for this recipe. Now let's get to cooking. First, we'll add our oats into a pan. Then we'll go ahead to add our ginger powder, cinnamon and nutmeg, sugar and salt into the pan as well. Next, we'll add our powdered milk. You can also use liquid milk for this recipe as well. After this, we'll add about 2 cups of water and we'll mix all of this till it is fully combined. After mixing thoroughly, we're going to place a lid on this and let it cook on really low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. So after letting it cook for a bit, we are going to open the pan and stir that pot. You can see how creamy the consistency is. Now we will prep our garnishings. We'll go ahead to peel and dice our apple. And I find that the contrast between the texture of the apple, the walnuts, the chocolate, and the warm, mushy texture of the oatmeal just gives you a really lovely experience. So feel free to play around with textures as much as you like. You can also use blueberries, strawberries, chia seeds, peanut butter, any topping of your choice for this recipe. So after dicing these apples, we are going to do the same for the bananas as well. I'm just going to peel them and slice them thinly. And then here comes our chocolate. I am using dark chocolate for this as well, and I'm just breaking that into tiny pieces. So our oatmeal is ready. You can see how creamy the consistency is. And we are going to serve this now. And I'm just going to, top it with our garnishings. So we have our garnishing. We'll start off with our apple. You can add as much or as little as you like. And after that, we are going to add our bananas. And then next will be our walnuts. Just break it into tiny pieces. And then we'll finish off the recipe with some dark chocolate pieces. Guys, this bowl looks yummy and trust me, it is so delicious. If you've wondered how to make your oatmeal really delicious, this is the recipe for you. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more yummy videos. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video.